Hello, my name is Vane Gisselle and welcome to my channel. I will be posting a video every day this month until December 24th. So that you don't miss any Vlogmas episodes, subscribe and click the bell for future notifications. If you liked this video, go ahead and click the like button and share it on your social medias with your friends and family. For today's video, I will give you some of my tips to meal prep for the week. Let's get on to the video. I have a different apron today. This one has a little Christmas town in the bottom. The reason I have so many seasonings out is because you want variation during the week. You don't want to eat the same flavor all week. You want something different, but at the same time, like me, I'm on a diet, so I have to eat fish, but you don't want to just eat the fish. Bland fish, boring fish, the same flavor of fish all week, right? So, seasonings. So these seasonings have no salt, and I would recommend you to do the same. They taste delicious. Lowering your salt content will help your kidneys. I will be making 5 fish because I have 5 more days until I go on vacation. Meanwhile, my microwave is defrosting. It's time to do your side. For me, my side is going to be tortillas. I eat my fruits and vegetables, but I like cooking those the night prior because they cook in 5 minutes and it's easier to have them fresh. For your protein, like I said, it's easier prior. Now, I'll be making tortillas. So I have a video that I previously posted where I show you how to make homemade corn tortillas and Mexican rice. I will link that video in the bio so you can go watch it after this one. I just finished making the masa and it's time to work on the fish. Okay, now I'm going to cut the fish into squares. I'm going to put lemon pepper, chipotle chile, and some southwestern chipotle. I love onion, so I'm going to put onion in all the fish. For this one, I'm going to put Fiesta Lime, Original Blend, and garlic herb. The reason you don't have to wash the pan after I just made one fish is because I'm making the same protein. If I would have been doing a fish to chicken, you would have to wash it. But since it's fish and fish, you're good. The following items I'm going to put inside a food saver. Seeing as I'm making them a couple days earlier than the days I'm going to eat them, I want to make sure they taste. I am going to put in this fish paprika, chile ancho, southwestern chipotle, I did say I was going to make 5, but seeing as my food saver is not working and I have to put them inside a box, I think I'm just going to stick with 3 for the rest of this work week. So we're going to finish with Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and work on these. These last 2 are going to be for the following week, Monday and Tuesday. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. See you back tomorrow for tomorrow's Vlogmas episode.